AI is everywhere in 2026, but most people still aren't using it, or they're using it wrong. Asking it basic questions they could Google, missing features that would save them hours every week. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI to use, when to use it, and how to talk to it so it actually gives you what you want. Whether you're a student, a professional, a business owner, or just someone who keeps hearing about AI and wants to stop falling behind, this is the only guide you need. And I made a free cheat sheet with everything from this video. Comment AI below and I'll send it to you. First, let's strip away the hype. AI is a tool. Like Google was in 2000. You type a question or an instruction and it gives you a useful answer or does work for you. The difference from Google searches the internet and gives you links. AI thinks about your question and gives you an actual answer. Google is a library. AI is a personal expert sitting next to you. You can ask it to write, analyze, explain, plan, brainstorm, or create. And unlike a human expert, it's available 24/7, never gets tired, and costs $20 a month or less. There are four major AI tools in 2026, and each one is best at different things. ChatGPT by OpenAI, the most popular one. Best for casual questions, brainstorming, image generation, and voice conversations. Claude by Anthropic, the smartest one. Best for long documents, quality writing, deep analysis, and coding. If you need nuance and accuracy, Claude wins. Gemini by Google, the integrated one. Best if you live in Google's ecosystem because it connects to Gmail, Google Docs, and Search. Perplexity, the research one. Best when you need facts with sources and citations, not opinions. Simple rule. If you only pick one, use Claude for quality or ChatGPT for convenience. Both have free tiers. Start with either one today. Is it worth paying $20 a month? Here's the honest answer. Free tiers give you older, slower AI models with limited messages per day. Good enough to try it out. Paid tiers give you the smartest models, much more usage, file uploads, image generation, and advanced features. Here's the test. If you use AI more than 30 minutes a day, the $20 pays for itself in the first week. Think about it. $20 a month for a tool that writes your emails, analyzes your documents, helps you learn, plans your week, and prepares you for meetings. Most people spend more on coffee. But start with free. Upgrade when you feel the limits. Here are 10 things AI can do for you right now that most people don't realize. 1. Write professional emails in seconds, not generic templates. Emails that sound like you customized for the situation. 2. Summarize anything. Paste a 20-page report, a long article, meeting notes. Get the key points in 30 seconds. 3. Teach you any topic. It explains like a patient tutor and adjusts to your level. 4. Analyze documents. Upload a contract, a lease, a medical bill. It reads and explains what matters. 5. Plan your entire week. Tasks, priorities, meals, workouts, organized in minutes. 6. Fix your writing. Grammar, tone, clarity, persuasion. Paste your draft, get it polished. 7. Prepare you for interviews. Mock questions, feedback on your answers, tips for specific companies. 8. Create content. Social media posts, blog drafts, presentations, ad copy. 9. Help you code. Even if you've never coded, AI walks you through building things step by step. 10C help you make better decisions, pros and cons, risk analysis, second opinions on anything. This is the most important part of the entire video. How you talk to AI determines what you get back. There's a simple formula: who you are plus what you need plus context plus the format you want. Bad prompt: help me with my resume. The AI doesn't know who you are, what job you want, or what format you need. Good prompt: I'm a marketing manager with 5 years experience applying for a senior role at a tech startup. Rewrite my resume to highlight my leadership experience and quantify my results. Use bullet points. Same AI, completely different output. The good prompt is specific about who you are, what you need, and how you want it formatted. Master this formula, and AI becomes 10 times more useful instantly. If you're a student, AI is the best study partner you'll ever have. Tell it, explain quantum physics like I'm 15, then quiz me on it. It teaches at your level and tests your understanding. For essays, don't ask AI to write them for you. Instead, say, here's my draft. Don't rewrite it. Tell me if my argument is clear. What's the weakest paragraph? And what evidence am I missing? For exam prep, create 15 practice questions on Chapter 5. Mix of easy, medium, and hard. Don't show answers until I attempt each one. And for research, give me 5 key arguments on this topic, 3 counter arguments, and 5 specific search terms to find academic sources. One warning: use AI to learn, not to cheat. Professors can tell. And more importantly, you're paying for an education. Let AI help you understand, not bypass understanding. If you work a desk job, AI saves you 1 to 3 hours every single day. Emails: describe the situation and tone. AI writes a professional email in seconds. You write 10 emails in the time it used to take to write one. Meeting prep: paste the agenda and attendee list. AI gives you talking points, smart questions to ask, and potential objections to prepare for. Data analysis: paste your numbers. AI finds insights and explains them in plain English. No spreadsheet skills needed. Presentations: describe your topic and audience. AI creates a full slide outline with bullet points and visual suggestions. Contract review: upload a PDF. AI highlights the risky clauses in language you actually understand. The people getting promoted in 2026 aren't the ones who work the hardest. They're the ones who work the smartest. AI is how. If you run a business, AI replaces work that used to cost thousands. Competitor research: tell AI your industry and competitors. Get a full analysis of their strengths, weaknesses, and where the gap is for you. Social media: describe your business. Get a week of posts in 5 minutes. Educational, promotional, behind the scenes, engagement posts, all ready to schedule. Customer responses: paste a complaint. AI writes a response that's warm, professional, and actually solves the problem. Strategy: ask for a SWOT analysis of any business decision: pricing, expansion, hiring, marketing. Hiring: AI writes job descriptions, screens resumes, and prepares interview questions. All of this used to require a consultant charging $100 to $300 an hour. Now it costs $20 a month. For creative work, AI doesn't replace you, it removes the blank page problem. Writing: AI helps you brainstorm ideas, create outlines, write first drafts, and edit. You add the voice, the style, the human touch. Images: tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Ideogram generate visuals from text descriptions. Thumbnails, social posts, product mockups in seconds. Video: AI writes scripts, suggests edits, creates thumbnails, music. Tools like Suno and Udio generate background tracks. The key mindset: AI is your co creator, not your replacement. It handles the 90% that's mechanical, so you can focus on the 10% that's creative. The best creative work in 2026 is human ideas, amplified by AI execution. Now, here's what AI can't do, and this matters. 1. It makes things up. AI hallucinates. It generates confident sounding answers that are completely wrong. Always verify important facts, especially medical, legal, and financial information. 2. It doesn't know your private information unless you tell it. It can't access your email, bank account, or personal history. 3. It's not always right. Use AI for the first draft, not the final word. Trust, but verify. 4. It doesn't replace judgment. AI gives you options and analysis, but the decision is always yours. 5. Don't paste sensitive data into free AI tools. Passwords, social security numbers, confidential contracts, keep those out. Simple rule. AI is the smartest intern you've ever had. Incredibly fast, great at first drafts, but you always review the work. You now know more about AI than 90% of people. Here's what to do right now. Step 1: go to Claude.ai or chat.openai.com and create a free account. Step 2: take any prompt from this video and try it. Step 3: notice the difference. You just saved yourself hours of work in minutes. I made a free AI cheat sheet with every prompt from this video, the comparison table, and the prompting formula. Comment the word AI below and I'll send it to you. And if this was helpful, subscribe. I make videos on real AI workflows that help you work smarter, not harder. See you in the next one.